Your right to privacy can really seem like a simple concept, but the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade has a big impact on what that means, including potentially who you marry.
You may have heard a lot of concerns surrounding the federal law on same-sex marriage. KSHB 41 News reporter Dan Cohen talked with local experts about how this all relates and what steps you can take now if you have concerns.
This decision has sent shockwaves through the legal community.
The United States continues to move towards a post-Roe world after the right to abortion was overturned by the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court spent about 100 years developing a line of case law that said you have the right to privacy.
The court's majority opinion is focused on a strict constitutional interpretation.
The court is saying we're no longer going to look at privacy rights based on our current understanding of what privacy rights are. We're only going to look at rights that existed at the time the amendments were passed.
Opinions legalizing same-sex marriage and consensual same-sex relations follow right to privacy precedent, but the reasoning that overturned Roe could mean those rulings are overturned next, leaving it to the states.
Missouri's constitution still provides that marriage is a union between one man and one woman. Kansas still has anti-sodomy laws on the books saying that consensual same-sex relationships between people of the same sex are illegal.
If same-sex marriages aren't federally recognized, consequences for couples are significant.
It's time to get your estate plans in order. We can't really rely on marriage as a protection for how we want to order our lives, our personal lives, anymore.
If there is not going to be any kind of deferral to spouses or partners, it's important that it's especially important that is down in writing.
Reorganizing affairs and crafting a new estate plan comes at a real cost.
A lot of people in the United States do not have $3,000 to $10,000 of what would be a discretionary expense or something that's not part of their regular budget. So yeah, there's a very real human impact here.
In Kansas City, Dan Cohen, KSHB 41 News.
There are some free resources if you'd like to execute powers of attorney like the estate plan you just heard about. We have links for those resources in Kansas and Missouri on our website, kshb.com.